1.
iLIFE VE's Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner, with a tangle-free pet hair care technology, focuses on picking up hairs, dirt, debris on hard floors, low-profile designed to clean under beds, furniture where dirt hides. Ideal for hardwood, tile, laminate or stone, self-charging, programmable schedule, smart sensors for anti-bump and anti-fall. Runtime 90 to 100 minutes, easy operation with remote control, or one-touch auto-clean button on robot. eufy by Anker, included in the best robot vacuums of 2019 by Tom's Guide. Automatically increases suction power within 1.5 seconds when extra vacuuming strength is needed to get the best clean. Vacuums for up to 100 minutes on hardwood floors with consistent, powerful suction at a volume no louder than an operating microwave. Anti-scratch tempered glass top cover for protection, infrared sensor for evading obstacles, and drop sensing tech to avoid falls. Automatically recharges so it's always ready to clean. eufy by Anker, Boost IQ RoboVac. Re-engineered to boast our strongest ever suction power, 2000 pascals max, while maintaining quiet operation and the super slim design. The eufy Home app, and Alexa and the Google Assistant voice control services let you accomplish your vacuuming needs with zero effort from you. Automatically increases suction power within 1.5 seconds when extra vacuuming strength is needed, so you get the best clean. yeedi K600 Robot Vacuum. yeedi Smart Robot Vacuum Cleaner features 4 cleaning modes including Auto Cleaning Mode, Spot Cleaning Mode, Edge Cleaning Mode and 2 suction modes to meet different cleaning needs. yeedi K600 Robotic Vacuum Cleaner with 2600 mAh built-in lithium iron phosphate battery is safe to use with extended battery life. It is environmental friendly with essentially no capacity decay compared to general lithium batteries. Runs up to 110 minutes per charge and automatically recharges.
5.
Shark IQ Robot Vacuum. Forget about vacuuming for up to 45 days. A bagless, self-emptying base holds up to 45 days of dirt and debris. Faster mapping speed for a quicker total home map compared to the previous model. Improved carpet cleaning performance compared to the previous model. Multi-surface brush roll pulls in all kinds of dirt and debris from carpets and floors. Schedule whole home cleaning or target specific rooms or areas to clean right now with the Shark Clean app or voice control with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. iLIFE K2 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. This K2 robotic vacuum cleaner is for your daily home clean. You can easily create a home clean schedule, change the clean mode, and control the clean direction by using the OKP app. The auto vacuum cleaner robot is also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing users make the robot start and stop the clean by voice commands. Use robots to save you time and energy. Equipped with upgraded 6D built-in anti-collision infrared sensors technology, OKP robotic vacuum clean your home in an efficient way. Leave you a clean house with lower power consumption than random path cleaning can achieve.
7.
iRobot Roomba 694 Robot Vacuum Wi-Fi Connectivity. Sleek, premium design complements your home decor. The Roomba 694 is a great way to begin cleaning your home smarter. Just schedule it to clean up daily dirt, dust, and debris with the iRobot Home app or your voice assistant. For effortlessly clean floors. The 3-stage cleaning system.